Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is NAKAE. Today we are going to continue with our Kali Linus fundamentals. We are going to change our shell. The default shell that we are using in Kali Linus, we are going to change it to the one that we want. Someone will say, what is a shell? Let's open the terminal. Always use this. Okay, so this terminal interface is called the shell, but we have different types of shells in Kali Linus. If I want to know the one that I'm using right now, I can run the echo shell. I'm now using the bash. The bash one is the default, but here it says shells at the bash. I'm using the bash one by default. So always when you install Kali Linus, the default shell that you use is the bash shell. It's like the command prompt and the PowerShell in Windows, switching between them. So now how can we change the default shell that we are using? That's what we are going to look at today. So first, let's see all the shells we can use on this Linus machine. So we run the cat etc shells. Okay, so these are the shells, different type of shells that we have. We have the sh, the bash, the bash, the dash, the timos, the string, the zsh. So these are all type of shells. So if with the timos, you can use the timos. If you want to use the sh, you can use the sh. If you want to use the zsh too, you can use the zsh. You can use the one that we want. We have another one called the fish. You can install that one too and use that one. So the default one is bash. So we want to change it to sh. We just type sh. The bash shows the user and the host name that we are using, but with the sh it shows only the hash. So if you want to know where you are, you can write the pwd to show that you are in the root directory. You can also use who is logging, so who to check which user is currently logged in. So this is how the sh interface look like. So you can also do ls here, see the desktop, everything work fine. So this is the interface of the sh. What if I want to move back to my bash to move to different interface? We can run the cat etc shells. Yeah, so this is the shells that we want. We want to move back to bash, so just type bash. Yeah, we are now in the bash shell. So this is how the shells work. You can use the sh shell or the bash shell, but normally the default one is the bash shell. So this is how you can switch between the shells. If you want to see the shell a user is using to, you can use the cat tc and shells, and we want to I think we have only one user. And do input. We have only one user, that's why it's not working. If we were supposed to have different users, when we run this command, we should know the type of share a user is what using. we can see that normally when we open the terminal, the default one is the bash one. What if we want to change the default shell to the one that we want? What command are we going to use? So the command is called chsh. Port is chsh. Shares are used to change the login share. So if you don't know any command, you can use the hotkey to know what that command is. It's a command interpreter. That's the shell. Hotkey bash. Bash. Okay. So bash stands for born again shell. That's the full meaning of bash. So bash is an acronym that stands for born again shell. It's also a shell that we can use. So we can use the hotkey to find the function of a command. Okay, so now let's see how we can change our default login shell. So we say we use the chsh change shell command. So just run it. So you see the username that you want to change, hit default shell. So it's asking for the login shell. So this is the command that we are going to type. Bin, this is where the shells are located to use. So let's use sh. Enter. Okay, so we have specified the login share. This is how it is. Thanks for watching. See you again on our next video.